99% of people sound like a boring textbook when planning a weekend trip.
Wait, what? I just say, I want to go to the beach. Is that wrong?
It's not wrong, it's just not how we actually talk. Today, you're learning the secret phrases that make you sound like a native traveler instantly.
I'm tired of sounding like a robot. Teach me the real way.
First, stop asking "do you want to go" all the time. It's too formal for friends.
So what should I say instead when I'm pitching an idea?
Use "are you up for" or "are you down for." It sounds so much more natural.
Up for? Down for? Do they mean the same thing?
Exactly. You could say, "Are you up for a road trip this weekend?"
Oh. And I can reply, I'm totally down for that, right?
Spot on. Now, let's get more advanced. What if you don't have a specific plan yet?
I usually say, we will decide the plan later.
Yikes. That sounds like a business meeting. Use the idiom, play it by ear.
Play it by ear? Like music?
In a way. It means making decisions as things happen instead of following a strict schedule.
So, let's not book a hotel, let's just play it by ear. Correct?
Perfect. You're sounding like a local already.
What's the most valuable word I need to know for a short trip?
The word is getaway. Never just say short vacation.
Getaway? Like escaping from somewhere?
Precisely. A weekend getaway is a quick trip to escape your daily routine and relax.
I need a weekend getaway right now. The city is so loud.
Me too. Let's use everything we learned in a real conversation.
Okay, I'll start. Hey, are you up for a weekend getaway to the mountains?
I'm totally down for that. When should we head out?
Maybe Friday afternoon? Do you want to book a cabin now?
Actually, let's just play it by ear and see what's available when we get there.
That sounds adventurous. Should we pack light?
Definitely. It's just a quick getaway, so no need for big suitcases.
I'm so excited. This sounds much more natural than my old way of speaking.
You nailed it. Now, it's the viewer's turn to practice.
Pause the video right now. Tell us in the comments, where are you down for going this weekend?
Go on, type it out. Use one of the phrases we learned today.
I'm reading all the comments, so make sure they are creative.
Quick recap. Rule 1, use up for or down for instead of want to.
Rule 2, say play it by ear when you don't have a set plan.
Rule 3, use getaway for your short weekend trips.
I feel way more confident planning a trip in English now.
That's the goal. Master these and you'll sound like a native in no time.
Wait, before you go, don't forget the most important part.
Subscribe for daily English tips. We drop a new video every single day to help you stay fluent.
Hit that bell icon so you never miss a lesson.
See you in tomorrow's video. Happy travels.
Bye everyone.